Hello, a very good morning everyone. This is an example on factorization by the grouping method. So let's take a look. As mentioned before, you might have noticed that in all these such questions, you have 4 terms, of which each pair you will do a highest common factorization first. So let's take a look. In part A, you have 2 pairs there. Let's take out the highest common factor from the first pair. Clearly, we will have 5 each from the first pair, and that leaves behind 4p minus 3q. Now for the second pair, let's take a look very carefully. I see a k in common, so I will take out negative k. Okay, take note, negative k, that will leave me with 4p and minus 3q. Just do a quick check. If I were to multiply these pair of terms together, would I still get the original pair on top? The answer is yes. Okay, doing a quick check visually. So now, clearly we have the same group for each pair, and now you can conclude the factorization, which will be 5h minus k with the common group of 4p minus 3q. Done. Right. So let's do this for the second pair as well. Or rather, second question. 2 pairs again. Each pair, take out the highest common factor. So clearly, first one, there's a 3 and an a from each pair. That will leave us with 2x plus 3y. Now the second one, you see 2 negatives there. It's highly likely I'm going to take out the negative, so I'll try that. I see that I'm going to take out negative 4 as well as a b, and that leaves behind, be very careful here, positive 3y with a positive 2x. Again, do a quick check. If I were to expand this back, would I get the same pair as above? Visually checking, looks fine. So once again, we have come to a situation of the exact same pair. Whether is it 2x plus 3y or 3y plus 2x, they actually sum up to the same expression. They are exactly the same. So I will be left with the grouping of 3a minus 4b multiplied by the group of 2x plus 3y. Now, at this point, we have 2 practice questions here. I would advise you to pause this video and try it out on your own first before referring to this explainer. So, I'll pause here for a moment. You should pause as well, okay? Alright. Pause over. Let's take a look at the part A. So from the first pair, I can see that I have in common the number 2. Letter-wise, I have 8. And that leaves me with 4x minus 7y. Now, from the second pair, I see no number in common, but I see a letter b. I'm going to try taking out negative b first. Let's see what we get if we do that. Sometimes it's positive b, sometimes it's negative b. By experience, you would know. So I'm going to try negative b. When I do that, I will have a positive 4x and negative 7y. Once again, do a quick check. Does it give us the same expression as above? Yeah, I think everything seems to be in order. So we will get the result of 2a minus b multiplied by the same group of 4x minus 7y at the end. Right? Same group. Next, again, pair by pair. First pair, we only have a letter n in common. We'll have 2k plus 3q. Second pair, a lot of negatives going on, and by experience, I'm going to try taking out a negative factors out, okay? So negative, I see 5 in common, and I see the letter m in common as well. I'm going to take out negative 5m. And that leaves us with a positive 3q and positive 2k. Right? Take a quick glance at these two groups here. Are they exactly the same? Yeah. Whether is it a plus b or I write it as b plus a, they are the same thing, right? So no problem, same group. And I will conclude with my factorization of n minus 5m multiplied to 2k plus 3q, which was the same common group. And we're done.